A warm welcome to everyone. Myself Hetal Patel, student from Department of English. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, we are going to celebrate it by making a video on a very interesting topic, which is a short story, A Service of Love, written by O. Henry. I will upload it on my YouTube channel on the 5th September. Let's start. O. Henry's short story, A Service of Love. Here we are following certain points. As we all know that before discussing about any particular poem, novel or short story, first it is very essential and important to know about the introduction of the writer or author, or we can say poet. Or here we can see that we are following certain points which are very important to know. So first one is introduction of the writer. Second, what makes him? Him means O. Henry, a great storyteller. Third one is about the story, and fourth, themes of the story. Point. Introduction of the writer. William Sidney Porter, better known by his pen name O. Henry. He was mostly famous by his pen name. Born on 11th September 1862 in Greensboro, North Carolina. O. Henry means William Sidney Porter, always reading everything from classics to dime novels. Understand that what is the meaning of dime novel? Dime novel means a cheap novel which presents typically a melodramatic romance or adventure story. And our writer O. Henry used to read these kinds of novels which are known as dime novels. O. Henry's short stories are always known for their wit, humor and twists in his stories. I mean, as a reader, you will feel that there will be always an unexpected ending in his latter part of the story. When O. Henry was only 3 years old, his mother died because of tuberculosis. After the death of his mother, he and his father both moved in the house of their paternal grandmother. O. Henry received his formal education from his aunt, who taught him to read and love books. And this is how O. Henry started reading and liking books and write in his own. So, after the introduction of the writer, now we will just look on our next topic, which is that what makes O. Henry a great storyteller. As we all know that there are always let's move to our next topic. What makes O. Henry a great storyteller? As we all know that every writer and every poet has their own way of writing style which makes him famous and well known. But here we are only concerned with our writer O. Henry's writing style. As earlier I have told you that Henry's short stories are famous for their wit, humor and clever wordplay. He has a different way of writing and a quite unique too. Now here we can understand that unique means different from others, and why everyone wants to adapt the writing style of O. Henry, because he has a unique writing style which is totally different from the other writers. In his stories, the writing style which he has adopted is humorous language, surprise endings and tearful smile. So here, tearful smile word is very important, and our writer O. Henry always ends up his story in which the characters have tearful smile on their faces. O. Henry is considered as the master of using humor at the correct place. So now from this point we have to understand that why he is considered as the master of using humor, because because he knew one thing very well, that how to use and when to use humor at the correct place in his stories. In his stories, one will always find an unexpected twist. For example, as a reader, if we are reading any short stories which is written by O. Henry, we cannot predict that what will happen in the later or ending part of. He begins a story in one direction, and when the reader thinks that now he can predict something, that what will happen in the later or ending part of the story, he sends it in a totally different direction. So this point is very important, that reader cannot predict anything while he was reading any short story written by O. Henry. In his stories, people who characterized as one thing often are the complete opposite. His stories are also well known for their witty narration. Modern stories written with this kind of twist are said to be written in O. Henry's style. As earlier I have told you that why everyone wants to adapt O. Henry's writing style, the reason is that in his writing we can find this many qualities, and if someone reading with these kinds of qualities, then unexpected endings, witty narration, the use of humor, then it is called as O. Henry's writing style. So, considering all these points in our mind, now we can understand that why O. Henry considered as the great storyteller, because of the four important elements, that unique writing style, witty narration, surprise endings, and twist in his stories. So that is why our writer O. Henry is considered as the great storyteller. Okay, so now let's move towards our story. About the story. In this story, A Service of Love, we can find that there were only two main characters. They are Joe and Delia. Joe is a painting artist and Delia is a music. Means she was interested in singing. One day they both met an art studio and fell for each other. And they fell for each other. That is why soon they got married. But what is the reason for that? What is the reason for their marriage? Because their passion for art wanted them together, and that's why they both get married. As we know that they both love art very much, and that is why they wanted to make their career and future bright, in which by the end of the week, Delia was feeling very proud on her own earnings. She placed $15 on the table, and when Joe came home, he told Delia that today one of his sketches had been sold, and he also made $18 out of it. So Joe and Delia both were very happy because they earned money, and now the financial issue I am going to overcome by doing this way. Next week, when Joe arrived home earlier than Delia, and Delia came home with a bandage on her hand. So that is why Joe asked him that what happened to you. But she told that today, accidentally, one of her students spilled some hot food on her hand, and that is why she got bandaged. But she told to her husband that nothing serious to worry about. But Joe figured out that there was something which Delia was hiding from him. So that is why he asked her that tell me the whole truth, that what are you exactly doing from the past 2 weeks. And that is how she explained the whole thing to her husband. husband that she couldn't find any students to give music classes, so she decided to start ironing clothes at a laundry. So here I have put one quotation that she had to lie because she didn't want him to give up on his own dreams. From this quotation, we can understand that Delia told a lie to her husband because she didn't want that thing that he gave up on his own dreams. From this quotation, we also understand that how they both loved each other unconditionally. So here, now the interesting part of the story comes. After Delia confessed the whole truth to Joe, he also revealed that there was no one to brought his sketches. In reality, he had been filing the engine in the same laundry for the past 2 weeks. Further, Joe explained that he was the one who sent the cotton with the ointment upstairs, and he was told that the girl burned with her hand with a hot iron. After they both confessed the truth to each other, they both laughed it off together. As earlier I have told you that O. Henry always ends up his story with a tearful smile, and our short story, A Service of Love, is one of them. They knew that they both lied to each other, but it was purely out of love because they love each other unconditionally. We can understand that how the entire story unfolds. Throughout the story, the writer O. Henry uses characterization through our protagonists, that they are Joe and Delia, to explain the loves and the talents of each other. In last, when they both knew about each other, they begin, when one loves one's art, no service seems so hard. So, with the help of this quotation, we can understand what? That when one loves one's art, it means when you both are understanding each other's passion and each other's art, no service seems so hard. So, in any relationship, if we are that much mature and understand that we have to understand each other's passion and talent. Here our protagonist Joe and Delia, they both understand each other's talents, and that is why they love each other. But Delia stopped with her hand on his lips, and she said, "No, just when one only loves." And this is how the story ends, with an interesting quotations. Okay, so after now we came to know that what is there in the story. Now we will discuss briefly about the themes of the story. So our first theme is love. The core theme of the story is love. Our protagonist Joe and Delia, they both loved each other unconditionally. Their love is what made them consider quitting their lessons in order to provide for their partners. They both wanted each other to keep on learning from their art lessons. They have done all the things for their love towards each other. So we can say that true love can be considered as the main or core theme of the story. In the last dialogue of Delia in the story, just when one loves clearly support this theme. So our first theme is true love. Second theme, sacrifice. Okay, they both valued their relationship more than their patience. So I told you about what happened in the story, and from the story we can understand that they both valued their relationship more than their patience. When their savings ended, both were ready to sacrifice their goals for each partner. that we can understand that when financial issue came and they ran out of their savings, I mean they both were ready to sacrifice for each other. I mean for each other's patience, because Joe wanted that Delia continued her art classes, and also Delia didn't want that thing that Joe gave up on his own dreams. So they both were easily ready to sacrifice for each other. So in the time of need, they both were willing to back each other selflessly. After love, sacrifice is one of the major things that we can consider. So first important thing is love, and after that sacrifice is also considered as the main theme. Third is art. Delia is narrated as a young, caring and selfless girl. Her devotion towards her husband and his career was very explicit. She did not let Joe feel guilty about the fact that she was taking care of the income and dropping her patience. She was not only in love with Joe but seemed committed to their relationship as well. So in the story we have learned about three important themes, that they are love, sacrifice and art. So I would like to here conclude by saying that in conclusion we can say that A Service of Love is a beautiful story written by O. Henry. There are many elements from which we can learn many things. I have put one quotation in the ending part of the story, that sacrifice becomes very easy when you truly love someone. It is very interesting quotation, because I like that quotation, so that's why I have put it in my conclusion part, that sacrifice becomes very easy when you truly love someone. As we all know that sacrifice is not that much easy, but when you truly love someone, it becomes not that much difficult for you. So this is the moral of the story that we all can understand. So this is my entire presentation about the story A Service of Love. After watching this video, you have to appear in a small quiz. So I would like to request all of you that please watch video on my YouTube channel and please attempt the quiz also.